Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a newspaper portrait in PicsArt. So here I've already on PicsArt application. You can start by adding a background. So in here you can just click on edit an image or video, and then here I'm going to use a newspaper as the background. You can just search for it on the PicsArt library. For example, I'm going to use this newspaper background. Okay, so once the background is ready, you can now just add your photo. Click on add photo and choose your photo from your gallery. So for example, here I'm going to use this photo right here. Click on add, and now let's remove the background. Click on remove background and remove the background of the photo. And I'm going to go add the outline. So here you can choose the color that you prefer for the outline. I'm going to just go with white, and let's put the photo in here. So make sure that the object is in the center, and I'm going to also add shadow. You can adjust the blur and opacity to the shadow. And now I'm going to go to effects. Here you can choose the effects that you want. I'm going to go add this stenciler effect for the photo. Okay, so it will become like this. You can also add some other effects if you want to, like filter or everything for the photo. I'm going to click on adjust, and here I'm going to adjust the saturation to around 20. So you can just click on a check icon, and now this is how your photo will look like. So guys, that's how you can create the newspaper portrait using PicsArt. I hope you found this helpful, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on a thanks. I'll see you in the next one.